Beckham, what are you doing?
I need with this one.
What are you doing?
I'm playing with my monster trucks.
Oh, how many you got there?
2.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What color are they?
Green.
Green and green?
Yeah.
What other color is on here?
Black.
And what else? What color is this?
Red.
Yep. How many wheels are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So there's a total of 8?
No, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yep. What are you gonna do? Make a jump?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make a jump.
No, I need one.
What's that thing called?
Punching.
It is?
Yeah.
Now you're making tracks?
Yeah.
Well, look at those tire tracks.
I know. To make a jump with my tire flat.
Yeah.
Making a jump with my tire.
What kind of noise does a monster truck make?
That sound.
Do it slow. I can't hear it. What kind of noise?
They'll have to leave it.
Wow. Well, look at that little jump.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let me make it bigger.
You're gonna make it bigger? Why, is it too small?
Yeah.
Whoa, there you go. Now you're getting somewhere.
Yeah.
Can it jump over that?
You can, but you can do it my side and I can do it your side.
So you want me to use my side?
No, I want to do it with my side. I do right here.
It hit the wall. Now what are they gonna do? They're stuck. They have to jump over it. Whoa! Boom, it crashed. What did it do? Crash?